In this video, I will show you how to create product categories in Hostinger website builder. This is my outdoor or hiking testing blog in Hostinger website builder, and this is the product categories I want to create. The category is, I have two categories, hiking gear and clothing, and under this category I have three subcategories. So to create this in Hostinger, first go to Store Manager, then click on Categories, click on Add Category to create the first category. Then click on Save. Let's assign some categories to this. Click on Save. Now do the same for the first subcategory of trekking poles. And to distinguish these subcategories from the categories, you can add something like subcategory and click on Save. But before that, let's assign a product and hit Save. Repeat the same thing with all of the products. Now that all of my categories and subcategories are added successfully, I need to show them in my website. To do that, go back to your website editor by clicking on this Edit Website button. Now go to Pages and Navigation and click on Add Page button. From this left side list, click on Online Store, then go with Product List Template. Give it a name, for example, hiking gear. Then click on Save. Now, as you can see, all of my products are showing in this hiking gear category. To show just the hiking category products, click on Edit section, and under Filters, first disable this option of showing categories or filters. Then select only hiking gear. As you can see, the one product under hiking gear started to showing up. Now let's repeat the same for the trekking poles subcategory. Go to Pages, create a new page, Online Store, Product List, name in navigation is trekking poles. Click on Save, Edit section, Filters, disable, trekking poles, and hit. As you can see, my trekking poles is added next to hiking gear. To make it appear under hiking gear, just go to Pages and Navigation and drag and move it not under hiking gear, but under it, but a little bit to the side, just like that. As you can see, now I have trekking poles under hiking gear. Repeat the same with all of these categories and subcategories. And this is the end of this tutorial, which is how to add product subcategories in Hostinger website builder.